Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Today we will take a look. It's a bit specific currency pair, so we very rare takes a look at it. Mostly we probably have taken a look at it even 5 years ago, last time when the Switzerland government central bank applied the limit on the Swiss franc strength. But right now, since we are mostly have here the tactical stop, these limits and the bigger picture will not impact on the analysis that we will bring today. Actually, guys, you probably already know about the results of the Italy referendum. You see the reaction on the euro currency. Probably it will not be really long-term reaction, but for some time euro could trigger the retracement that we have discussed, because recent action was really fast. And actually the open trade on the Monday was dramatic. Euro first dropped almost to 105, grabbed the stops and shows the wash rinse on the previous lows, and then skyrocketed. So as the retracement up could continue on the Swiss franc, we could get the opposite action. Initially, guys, I have hoped that probably we could get the same issue on the Japanese yen, and maybe we will still get it a bit later. But right now on the Swiss franc, we have much better picture. It's very clear, and the daily chart on the Swiss franc provides us very clear trading step, very good looking pattern. That could that could give us a not bad opportunity for trading. So take a look. In fact, here we have nicely looking double repo sell pattern on the Swiss franc. So we have the thrust up, very nicely looking thrust. Close above the 3x3, close below the 3x3 here, close above and creating the new top, and close below again. That is double repo sell pattern. Also, as you can see, right, yesterday market has tested the weekly pivot resistance one and has dropped lower. Right now it stands very close to the weekly pivot support. The minimum target of this pattern stands at the 50% support of the whole thrust action. And from this low to this top, 50% level stands approximately 98.75 level, 98.80 maybe. So that's the target that probably market could reach by this pattern. Also take a look that market hasn't tested yet the monthly pivot point, this December pivot. So we know that market tends to test the pivots within the period, and that's why this double repo could become the very good background for moving down and testing of this area as well. But the target of this pattern, as I said, mostly the 50% level. Also, guys, here we have to watch for potential double repo failure. So because you know this is the two-edged sword, the double repo every time. Because the failure of the double repo is also the directional pattern. It's not just canceling of the direct pattern, but it's also the isolated pattern itself. That's why currently we have the direct double repo. It has been confirmed. The market already is moving with it. But keep an eye also on the potential possible failure. So if you, for example, will take a position based on this pattern, but suddenly you will get the failure. So for example, if market will move up again, here close above the 3x3, and will move above the 618 resistance of this whole action to the downside, that will be some kind of double repo failure. Anyway, currently, guys, on the Swiss franc we have the better picture than on other currencies. It provides the clear pattern that we could keep an eye on. So that's why today I just decided to take a look at it. On the intraday chart, guys, currently we do not have any extensions or something of that sort that could support the idea of the target around 98.80 area. So as you can see, we don't have some kind of the valuable ABCD or something. So all that we have is just the consolidation of the double repo that takes the shape of some sideways action. And right now, this sideways action is broken and down. So the only target that we could estimate based on this range is just the length of the range itself. So if we suggest that this is the truth breakout, the market will continue to move lower. The minimum target of this stands slightly higher than the target of the double repo, so it's approximately 99.50 area, right at the monthly pivot point. But maybe later, a bit later tomorrow, maybe we will get some kind of the extension or some other pattern that could be formed here that will provide us the more extended target. So that's the pattern that I would like just to talk about today. So let's see what will happen. And of course, we will continue keep an eye on Japanese yen, because there we also have the same kind of the thrust, but we don't have yet any reversal pattern there on the Japanese yen. And second, we of course will keep an eye on the euro currency and see how this situation will develop there, how significant retracement will be, because as you know, our major idea that existence of the 114 target on euro currency is the major point, and with whatever upward action market will show, it should return it back down and complete the large weekly ABCD pattern. That's why currently we still treat current upward action on the euro currency just as retracement.